Aloha guys, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and I've been thinking about it. What I really want to do here is help people get to the point that they want to get to musically. And so my question to you guys is, what can I do to help? How can I help you? If you have any questions, maybe it's a technique that you're struggling with, maybe it's something that you just are on the brink of understanding, but you just quite don't got all the pieces yet to put together, then please send me a video of yourself playing and how I can help, and I'd love to help you. I'd love to get to respond to you either via video or email. If you want to email me, my email is hmsukelessons@gmail.com. But I'd love to meet you guys. I'd love to see who's out there and see the other side of this thing, because I spend so much time just looking at a camera. I'd rather get to know the people that are out there and see how I can actually help. Our goal here at Hawaii Music School is to help musicians become the musician they always wanted to be. So hopefully, if you guys get this message, you'll send me some questions or even just feedback on how I can be more helpful. I appreciate it, guys. And once again, mahalo and aloha.